Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add and set an image as a background within a Google Doc. So let's jump into it. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can help us reach 2,000 subscribers. We'd appreciate the support. So let's get into it now. What we want to do is make sure that we have clicked down on our document, and we're going to go up to the top left hand side to our menu. We're going to look for insert, and here we want to insert an image. So you can insert an image from various different places, but I'm going to use my computer and I'm going to use this sample image. Now it is good to note that if your page is in A4 and it's in portrait orientation, your image generally should be in a portrait orientation. However, if it is in landscape, you can change it and size it appropriately. Now what we want to do here is just go ahead and click on this icon just below the image where it says behind text. We're going to select that, and then over here there is a move with text option. Okay, what we want here is we want to choose the fixed position on page. So if we zoom out a little bit, we can actually see what our image looks like. We can move this now freely. So what we want to do is make sure that our image is actually covering the entire page. So let's move it like that. And we are going to move this out over here on the bottom as well. And once we have sort of put it in its place and it's now covering the entire page, what we want to do is right click on the image and look for image options, and we're going to look for adjustments on the right hand side. Now once you're in adjustments here, you can see that there's opacity. You can change the opacity of your image to suit your needs. Of course, if you're going lower in value, the less you can see the actual image, and I think that looks fantastic. So if you want to learn a little bit more about Google Docs, you can go ahead and jump onto our channel. We've got tons of awesome content to help you learn, help you grow. We'll see you over there. Peace out.